In this quick video, I am going to show you how to create image in Canva AI. So first of all, we need to go to their website, or you can open Canva app. Once you open their app, now open any template or any project you want. So let's say I want to open this project. I need to select it. Once your project is open, we need to go to the left panel, and under it we need to select this option of apps. We need to select it. Now we need to search for AI image generator like this, and now it will show you all of the apps which can generate images for you. So you can see bunch of tools are here. You can select any image generator you want. So let's say I want to go with this DAL AI. So I just need to select it, and then it will show you all of the information related to that AI. Now we need to click on open, and then we need to provide our prompt in order to generate an image. Once you paste your prompt here, we just need to hit generate, and then it will start generating the image in Canva. So these two images are now generated. If you want to use them, then just click on it, and then it will automatically imported on your project just like this. You can adjust their size. So this was the complete process. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.